And next one, kung think, kung namin tingin tentative about, but we could take on social media detox. Yeah, I know, I'm one of those girls. Social media detox. Pero, acho tá ko di ko, minusas mi po ni, siguro. Tapos so, it's still part of my job, the school. OnBrand, manage OnBrand. So I have to be on social media.
And also post it.
And I have to post on my own stuff.
Bit
So then,
rough,
I'm still gonna be on there. Just pandang ko maybe it's akin, no?
Pero, it could be more of a better challenge. So, no subita fácil. Subir orbo meses subita más difícil.
Huh?
Subir solamente riba social media orbo meses subita más difícil. Más difícil.
Digong.
So, or no subita fácil, but not on there. But not not on there. You've done that before. Pero si butiku subi post anto botibi sa mes mita subi post on minutos. What's up, guys? Welcome to the OnBrand Podcast, your favorite published podcast. My number is Joïm.
My name is Angèle.
And we're here. We're back.
Welcome back. Today, no sé guys before, pero I think no sé si as a test episode almost 2 years ago.
Okay.
I believe no sé si como un test episode pero inota on the OnBrand YouTube channel. So no stop this money. I'm pretty sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't think we have it on there.
See what happened? Need to check.
Pero see, I think right now I could kasi 2 years ago. No sé si
No, it's not on
No
there.
sé si August accountability plan.
So,
Is it that Ami
in August.
In August, see. Ami Rodina
2019? 2020. 2020.
See. Ku Joïm as yung August accountability plan. And look at how in taku no sa take a month but get no shit together. Get no
Essentially, build a routine. See.
Basically, kosang ko buketing mas discipline with, buketa kosang ko batasi regularly, constantly, every other day, every week. No sa pony on the list and toku no to check in again and to see how it went at the end of the month.
Correcto.
And the the last few months have been for him. But I think for me, over I think April maybe. April, May, March. Tatong tigi. See. And I felt like nothing would go back into some kind of routine of some kind of discipline. Paku sierto ko school, me ta struggle ko ni. This not also offer of nasa pinsa man banga si a accountability plan atrobe. Pero now it me accountability. Tapos kawang a month kawang kami name the plan.
Sí.
Pero nos cada una bin ko nos top 5 things na kunos kitasi. Inota marana like quanto tempo of quanto biyawa to siele. Ito mas marana man en kiko ta work papo. Anto kiko boke hasi oray.
Como que man quanto biyawa to siya?
Pero porta ko pone ko mitabay like a month of May, mitabay algo random. Mitali sa buki. Mitakaba 3 buki.
Yeah, asini.
Ito mas kuku ta queda pasa.
More about the routine.
Sí.
By proxy buta si antaw pari basido. Like, pero mito comment buki.
Sí, pero ito menos marana ang goal. Ese mi kaman ko ni.
Ito ang goal. The whole thing is a goal.
Ito ang goal, pero no ko man infinity na ba
quantity.
Sí.
Gotcha. No to marana quantity, to marana look with basi ando intentionality di mita basi goki. Then te luna ki. And for course na ki mita basi. Sí. Así na ba yeah, got you.
Sí. So, would you like to go first?
No, you go first.
Ay, nah. Pone Mario.
You have the headphones on.
Pone Mario sound.
I don't think I will do that. I think we'll book. Whoa. See. Whoa. Crazy. So, abot yung headphones on today. So, abot lead mo, ne?
Sure. Pero bon,
It looks like you're doing this. I'm just kind of here for the ride.
Yeah, I'm the hostess with the mostest today. Pero bom, na minha se explica você um tique de mi accountability plan, então de como apoiar certa coisa, de como não apoiar certa coisa. For my month of May, because não comigo que focus de budget para make sure que eu tenho mais discipline com ele, me tá hitting me points. I don't know. Make it a game, se okay. Pero in geval, eu quando eu pone the first one tá 3 intentional meals a day. 3 gewoon maaltijd per dia. And me deve ser intentional também. Me deve ser paso me po gewoon comen 2 big meals and be fine. Pero me tenho que workout 3 vezes por semana, tim ya 4. And my goal type of bulk. Like me gain a significant amount of muscle over the past few months, como eu contento about. Pero minutasin di ko mayega body ko yet. Like me putting a lot of work, me work out frequently, and the good workouts na, me efficient workouts, me following program. Just me home bag, kasi gym, asi lali tampoco. It's an activity that I like doing. I really like working out. Pero kung in nutritional part, ang ko struggle ko ni, and me trying to get better with. I have. Pero nang ko sa, I was a vegetarian for 5 years. I'm not a vegetarian anymore. Must start eating meat. No, chicken. Must start eating chicken.
First of all, not true. Okay?
Go on.
When a woman is a vegetarian, she would have to fish. You ate fish.
Well, I was a vegetarian for at least...
No, you are a pescatarian. We have the vegetarian, this way pescatarian, this way...
Sí.
Láganos.
Excuse me.
No, so you've done that before, where you say I'm a vegetarian, but I come fish.
Sí,
no.
Pero fish también, como se pasa, last year como estaba vegetarian. So, por mí que say, tampoco me estaba comiendo fish.
Okay.
So, now I'm 4 years vegetarian, 2 years solid pescatarian, and I walk him, I'm chicken again.
That's all I wanted, see.
See, okay, clarity. Okay, clarity.
Let's be specific, see.
See, so then that's been my journey so far. And the notice ko more protein that kumida getting a walkie, mas me llenando in the parts that I want to gain weight. But that comes from having more meals, more protein, which means kumida ko eat more intentional meals. Just spend that 3 times a week. Let's see how that's gonna work. I think we do go home meal plan. Van tevoren, we hebben een kiko of meal prep. Van tevoren kiko met erbij komen idee to make sure today me possibly. So thing on me, I feel like many bulking, but I won't get exhausted. Like for me at least, I love to eat, but
it depends.
Oh my god.
It depends.
Another chicken and rice. Another day, another chicken and rice and broccolis.
It depends.
Digo, nakigo.
So I mean, 3 are the bulk. Those are the bulk. And I mean, that's like specific. I just eat. I just eat and I don't do cardio. Pa amin to, pero trobe. Ito rin sa kulpa diferente. No, to mi bisa na buo pati gaja ka kaya na sinu. Bisa na kon. Ami, umita to workout pero umita to sopi cardio. Kasi cardio simple. Like 20-minute cardio. Kore ko na ki. Or cut out cardio, do gewoon sige eat, ibot again. That's essentially what it is. So it depends how I want to do it. Abo ke gewoon make sure ko bo meals mas predictable and bo track ko ting ma fácil.
Sí, basically.
Got you.
So mong nota kasi cardio. I do miss it sometimes, pero by the time I has like a good 45 minutes, I'm going home. There's me nota running. I love to run. Minota sin running. Minota jump ropes. Minota do hit workouts tampoco, to be honest.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. Pandemic days, best believe hit workouts.
And after.
And after? Oh.
You didn't used to lift like that.
No. I say a year, I think. So a solid year of walking with a consistent weightlifting. But this is the first one. Second one, 20 to 30 minutes of creative work a day. No, 20 to 30, but no sé si me puedo achieve an hour, really. I probably can, but I might choose 20 to 30. And the creative work being for miss side projects ng of things na kumikasi as hobbies and no kono kuta business ventures. Whether that is painting again, dingan ko sa painting again. Whether that is creative writing scripts.
Pero OnBrand ta kay boy Kiko.
OnBrand ta kombinasyon ni work e creative. So it ended like OnBrand ta career business things for me.
Okay,
The creative was something the base creatively, pero it's like the pamimiss.
Yeah. Okay. Well.
So OnBrand nung gagamitin ko kasi sa result si Mang Tok. So it's like ita mas self-practice. Gawin na?
Got you.
See the home pa making mas again intentionality ding we creative work. That's in the fact that has to go pa fun of being able to practice algo kumita yung leuk. And they're actually putting in time. The moeilijk thing on go was schedules on the work and life itu be gonna sini pero simple at least give 20 minutes of that. Kasi say minopon for that reason mani writing home journaling pasumita si koy everyday ka ba and ato nga noble for me and ato ang habit ko ko build is just kind of something I have to do every day.
It's already a habit or the routine ka ba?
Sí, ito standard de mi routine ka mo si no paso un día time mita automatically say next day like no to go a period que mani me not write for a week. No, usually say ko past minutes I'm not mentally okay, but usually it's funny. Right. Weekend before we'll not a chance to write because I work and I keep it in my routine because I usually write in the morning. But on Mondays makum sa write back home naman. So pisa mi na pa nila.
Got you.
Okay. My third one I'm out of breath.
See guys, idea ta. Idea na by back na August accountability. Idea di August taba subata sali for the summer. Or ba summer August ta prome luna display ku at least na wala na kento. Mid August na summer to kumisa taper off. Mitira point ko or ba pasa ding August into bakabi or ba pasa ding summer bakabi fiesta ba situr ko na. If that's what you do, or either way, but in family friends tabing ba vacancy, but ni tendency mas tano di veer off for the routine for the look batasi normal, for the diet, for the workouts, whatever it is, but ni tendency diasi essay mas tanto, pero eure loboyin ka ding August man fixed routine pa get you back where you were. That's essentially the idea of it all. Okay ding May, tapaso tame no sa pas din periodo basta. Tinunduno sa dos individual sa pas man ding basta un periodo kami na ting opi ko tabasa opi diferente cambio de vida que tipo na anto botoh que un tiki mas routine de movida anto no que pe kono ko importante pa kind of get left behind. So it's less about the month, less about the May, more about the accountability. That's a bar. So that's the whole plan of this. Nós trabalhamos back na nosso correspondent, Angèle. Então nós estamos accepting at the Brazil. Angèle?
Sim, thank you for the segue. My third one, that waking up at 7:45 and going to bed at 11:30. And I'm putting to dos, paso okay, wala na trempang, pero badrumi trempang pa wala na trempang.
Madrumi suficiente pa wala trempang.
Sí.
These are good points.
That used to be an issue I have. Kumita mani. Still by drumi 12:30 and kailan ta sa isor. Girl.
It ain't never happening. And
you're not a 6 a.m. girly.
The next day, depleted.
Exhausted.
Right.
Right. Didn't notice ko milan the early mornings, I get a lot of stuff done.
Oh.
Meeting, feeling oh my God, I have more hours in the day.
Who would have thunk it?
Is it capitalism? Maybe. Pero, so bating get more hours to do work. That's the whole point of me wanting to wake up earlier.
See, but okay, no, I get that. But you said capitalism, and now you lost me.
I blame everything on capitalism. If I even know what it means or not. Thank you for Busai.
That's funny. I just think it's funny. So, you're just saying stuff, but what you're saying could be argued. It's same time funny. Okay, do I want to go argue this right now or not?
Argue with me, but I know shit about that girl. So if no second, I mean,
girl.
See, okay. But they are maturing the girl. They are dream girl. Girl.
Ay.
Tingay na gusto ko basa?
I don't really care.
Tingay na gusto ko. Mami na ko yung comments on commentary ba ko Instagram. Go party guys.
That was your first mistake, but see.
Yeah, but the comments.
That was your first mistake.
That's just other people's opinions. Pero not to be sana man no, pero ito the demasculate. Emasculate ng basta man ng girl.
Hey yo, see, if that emasculates you, you got other problems, right?
But dingay kong minsan si botas hindi the same way, let us know. Pero about the hindi ko eh.
No, so me masculinity to depend on what you call me.
Mm-hmm.
in a what's that friendly manner. Like me not ni registered de mi kabis. So I don't even know what these people are talking about.
Okay.
But I don't know what most people are talking about. So ito the other wavelength at this point. Pero see, what about your mommy girl because it's an endearing term.
Girl.
It's a friendly term. Something man. It's also pop culture.
It's a girl. It's like a girl.
Intonation of accent not to make much of a difference to me.
I'm saying it to the people. Girl. Anyway, girls.
See, next.
See, mapun si pa so
mita
kong get. Oh, sorry. Lanta kwart pa 8 drumi mi tayo distos.
Tayo funny kung mabisa lanta promendo no drumi prome. Okay, what was first, the chicken or the egg?
Oh yeah. See, but day to start when you wake up. I
wake up and then I go to
and see. Nothing before that. No.
That's funny. I wake up and then I go to sleep.
See.
Ay.
Jimmy, I want to get more things out of my day. To open rustig, then chance to write, pray, meditate. And to start my day mas rustig.
Understandable.
And to do my master pang namin. Dus we train sayonara at 11:15. And by Drumi 12. Actually by Drumi 12.
Got you.
And next one kung dating ko naman tingin tentative about. But we could take on social media detox. Yeah, I know I'm one of those girls. Social media detox. Pero should ko di ko minusas mi pa ni siguro. Tapos so it's still part of my job. The school OnBrand. Manage OnBrand. So I have to be on social media.
And also post it.
And I have to post on my own stuff. So then look, I'm still gonna be on there. Just maybe it's akin no.
Pero it could be more of a better challenge. So no subita fácil. Subi orbo meses subita más difícil.
Huh?
Subi solamente riba social media orbo meses subita más difícil. Más difícil.
Digong.
So or no subita fácil, but not on there, but not on there. You've done that before. Pero si butingu subi post anto botibi sa mes mita subi post on the scroll that's more difficult. So you could still do that.
Yeah. Okay, pero ako Instagram dami, I don't scroll. I just look at stories, answer stuff, go in my
It's the same difference. It's the same thing. It's about buta on there more than you should be. That's the point. Not to walk stories of that's not the point. The point is buta on there of no.
Okay.
Si buta post, buta posting because you have to, but party about business. Pero that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about si desebo que asi, desebo tin ko asi.
Pero
buta post hala kita.
Ito konta ko Instagram sorry.
A mí no sa tabo may accountability.
Basta mi pasi ko Instagram pero ko YouTube como tas ko. YouTube mi
a mí no sa. Tabo ko bisa.
Nami ko misa ko Instagram.
YouTube could be educational tame.
See, pisa me. Listen to all vlogs and stuff. Anyway.
Things that don't matter, see?
I like a good
Other
vlog.
people's lives.
Get ready with me. I want to see more get ready with me's.
Never.
Me, todavía sa snaki. Kung gusto sa Instagram, pamiyas ko OnBrand, pamiyas ko Memory Collective, and
Print.
Deve ser assim mesmo quando está mais, pero usually tá com memes me daí manang so.
It doesn't matter. Then I go to manda ko sa bobis na ko wak. Ito on here, so sa mi post ko ta for business.
Okay.
By days. It's really that easy to communicate.
Business ko
business.
Educational of to me say inspo things. Pero okay, bong, mas
no, ko kumisa to red light so yeah.
Bong, mi da subi ba business stuff so, pa work stuff.
Correcto.
Bong, claro.
I'm just trying to help you out here in the
No, you're right.
Ko kumisa para mira. No, pero mi tawal también, te contesta también. You're on there 3 hours.
That's why.
You're on there 3 hours, see.
No como se busca libre, pero okay, bong. That one, también me say un last cause. Ito ta, otro ko nang minasa kim popone. I'm not gonna be putting no reading thing on me right now, but so I just meeting.
I don't read. Why would you read?
I'm not reading right now. But like na insinuan ko mapupo ko audiobooks ain't hit the same. There's already missing last ko sa waki. What can I put?
Mas babae bin
Bobby Mac, see. So it's gonna take a while. Bobby Mac. Joïm, take the floor.
Or the board.
Take the board.
See, ami si askibi di binang. More like Angela askibi ng pami. Joïm's May accountability plan. May time to work out 3 times a week. Angela does get to work out 4 times a week sometimes. She doesn't, but it's fine. She works out 3 times a week. She works out consistently 3 times a week.
Consistently 3 until sometimes I hit 4.
Okay. I am gonna work out every other day.
Okay, in front of the cameras.
I'm just trying to keep this podcast honest, yo.
Wow.
That's the thing. I know you in real life. So, oro bisa ko to work out consistently and to put in the work, and I'm all for it. But if you come pon a number, you have to be factual.
I am being factual.
Are they the true facts or are they fake facts?
Hey, are you gonna find me? Be honest.
No. Well, Angela to work out 3 times. Never that. No. Angela to work out 3 times a week consistently. She don't play about her workouts.
No.
If 4.
Si e passa. Se e 4-1A, sa dia nang kumi net e dia kumi tingo work around 12. Dus dat me hit it in the morning before me by work of after work. En dan vandaar me bisa si etimia eta varia pas no turo mi tinggal messy ni workout after makawi deal ko customers in a store anto mi kolega nang anto ko being understaffed.
Yeah.
That's why me bisa sometimes me hit a 4th one. I don't have to, but some 3 other ones were already pretty good. See.
Okay, you're going to discuss over it, because it also doesn't matter, right?
Take it to court.
Also, Joïm, doesn't matter, right? That's me talking to myself.
See, bisa di mo miss.
Gonna regret even having this discussion later, but it's fine.
3 workouts.
See, I can work out every other day. So working out 3 times a week, pa me, whatever. Mi time is a hit 4. Since we're talking about 4, mi time is a hit 4. But I mean, okay, wak simang. Mi ke wak gewoon. Kung kur pa to react to working out and to make it work out gewoon consistently. I mean, not walk. You know, take progress pictures. I don't do none of that. I just go.
Which time into say you should.
Ba mi kabis, ihas itrabaho. I don't care about none of this. No, I don't care about none of that. Ba mi kabis ihas trabaho. So I make it work out every other day.
Mm-hmm.
Mi policy tabataka about workout every other day. And so mi no por workout every other day. Mi no tabay those días in workout. Pero mi que así, me servir un challenge. The whole point is tapay kasi ko diferente for lo que batasi kaba. So every other day.
Mm-hmm.
Amita write in my journal, pero miti man luni amazing write na diretsi. Imiti man book, kuma na write 1 line in every day, just ask 1 question every day. Haven't done that in a month, tambe. No paso minoke ako, paso it's too much. It's too much pa mi, paso meeting ko. Amita si kasi tour ko production di OnBrand, awaki. Amita regle audio, amita mix, amita edit. It's a bit long. Like me home noting enough time.
Mm-hmm.
And to my release music recently, time this, it could take way more time than you would think. So I mean, nobody helping me.
Also promote the new song.
Also, the new song kabisali. I don't know when this is coming out, but it's new. So minuto game lo sakong song mas no kasi I walk into. Stay tuned though. Nami Misang. It's inspired. What is inspired? It's inspired by hinanang ko debe na sang, pero tama hinanang ko kinang sambak. Anto honestly, itong himno man mabisa. Kaba itong himno pa kubo kanta of kanta na hindi of ser kanta na ba si debe sang. Either way, it works. So either to speak to you from a debt collector's perspective, or to speak to you from a debt debedor perspective. Whatever iko'y palabra ta. So, go check it out. Link in description or Mio J on Spotify.
The song goes something like this.
Mafia un bro dos placa, nunca más se la corda di paga. Ni siquiera un pida en mana, da quien es cielo, ta mama y tata. Ay ta luna si años se pasa, nunca más ma cobreta mi falta, nunca más ma cordieta mi falta. Lo boquere la sin nada. No, a mí no malanta otro, mana mi chest, mi palabra to oro. A mí no malanta otro, si mi incenta trabajo no.
Yeah.
Así no, sí. Sí. There's write one page a day on the also 10-minute prayer. So me doesn't even be spiritual. No, it has not been the best
It's like
lately.
the third one.
No, this is the second one still.
Oh, second
Write
one.
one page a day. Because usually me writing that coincide with me prayer of me silent time with, my higher power or God, as I would call him. Usually nandosta junto this. It'll make more sense when you point out junto times. Ito gewoon een moment dat je met sera snabara, sera não se ter bij telefoon, kun je kijken aqui. Sera wowo and to focus on one specific task, which is being centered and to being, in touch with my feelings, thoughts, and to faith. So that's what it's about. Today gonna lack last luna naki, and to me no, not comfortable. It's nagging me in the back of my head. This, what other better time pa get re-centered and to refocused? That's really what it is. See. The next one, the 1 hour creative work a day. Look Angela is away 20-30 minutes to make OP sense. So 1 hour does seem like a lot, but 20-30 minutes to pass in the end to not get anything done. To me. Ami, not Papiana di look Angela. My hate bastard Angela, so 4 workouts a week, I want me to hate it because damn no, I can't do that. No, pero I think 30 minutes to mas halbar, for 1 hour to mas un challenge. That's the same to put in 1 hour. And they're gonna see me to go edit of try music when 30 minutes is not enough. Because do rabo 10 minutes babo get into okay, me vaya si algo or me to make it gonna make sense. It's long. There's creative work in my case that off me to make something, off me that's in Freestyle Friday, me to come to set up PC, or me to try to undertone dinges, or me to try to music, or me to try to OnBrand thing. Enough things for me to work on. So one of those things have to be worked on every day. Not to be able to buy massive some progress, pero mi kaya 1 hour si. So at least mi saku ku. Then ora ay tabay some kind of productivity with regards to creativity. Another bar.
Nice.
The next one, malapit ako. Mas kapag si. The next one, the no sugar or desserts. Minuto yung sweet tooth. I don't buy candy. I don't really drink soda like that. Kasi ko na pero order me around people, specific people, to bring those things around me. And to, I'm not, basta? Minuto bisa no tampoco. At least not right now in the recent 2 years or maybe the bulk. But maybe that basta known for only drinking water and to no desserts. Kasi ko na even that's a big cardio, so I was quite ripped. But I didn't want to be like that anymore. I wanted to beef up a bit. This I just ate whatever I wanted, which is great. So I'm doing bone metabolism. And my yena basta, must be freaking 10 kilo. The last of those ionic, which is crazy. And the most of it is muscle, but at the same time, it just talk me doing diggy pudgy for my taste. Someone else could look at me and be like, bro, you got abs. But to me, that's not about that. It's about how you feel. It's not about say basically to take progress pictures and books. I don't care about how I look as much. It's about how I feel about how I look, weirdly enough. Is that weird? Or how I feel in my body. That's what it's about. See, if that makes sense, that makes sense. If not that makes sense, fight me, yo. Fight me. It is what it is. But see, no sugar and desserts. No sugar, I recommend no sugar at all. So, bota come fruta que te con natural sugars. Pero mi tapano mas di mane sugars na guno timester. Like, mi bukong bebe awa. Like, mi natuwa ko crave juice of mi bukong bebe awa. Or mi bebe coffee, you don't have to put sugar in it. And if you put sugar in it, it's because you're drinking coffee. No, so bota bebe no juice. It's the difference of limonada. It's different. No desserts, easy work. Pero for the longest time, mi tatag basa kumbrong kanina bro chicken ng asigigo. Basta mi kimain ko na sino. I don't have to do that. I couldn't care less. So me cut it out completely. If I could do it, why not do it? So no unnecessary added sugars and the desserts sowieso no. And the last thing will be something I really love doing, pero pasó me está sincerando cos, ito difícil. Ando lo que já na bisa, we, ela dal dal riba cabeça clavo, qualta reading. I really like reading, me to read hopefully I grow up reading hope dambe. Anto me to retain hope information, like me to retain hope information during reading. Anto na ako kumita ta haciendo recently, anto me ting 2-3 books na guardando me kumita waiting to read, pero by the time me acaba mi dia, it's long, bro. Long. Después me accountability plan think mas spicy. My add reading time I didn't 10 pages, which 10 pages na paso hopefully depending on the book actually. Pero 10 pages, like 10 pages into to me ito coincide time ko by drumi pang. So to me reading time itong parte di wind down. If anything, ayan ang struggle ko drumi mento blue light di un screen que tipo na ace but walk show ko to ko ta fine. So the problem ko drumi ko no to bombo wind down period. Reading, however, is you're still getting content, knowledge of education from what you're doing. You're still doing something, actively doing something, pero bonoting and negative sides of it. So usually I'm by drumi to walk podcast me say algo sina, pero I'm gonna read. I'm gonna read 10 pages until before you know it. Like sugumita ay pasa after aigi. I'm pasa suguma read 4 books in the first 4 months, something crazy. And nice. Mabay asi otro ko, which is long. Opi ko otro ko pasa, pero pointa read 10 pages a day. So pamiri kapitula, work out every other day, write 1 page a day plus 10-minute prayer of silent time either way for me. Reflect on things, flag on my brain, homework, no sugar and desserts, 1 hour creative work a day, and read 10 pages a day. They say to me, may accountability plan. So.
Okay, nice. I still don't have the last one.
Last two,
no. Social media.
Social media, right. I'm sorry. Correcto.
The last one, me no saying na. They're still trying to figure it out. So, okay, do I do like a no spend? Up kita.
Yung ko na talk about it recently. Ando mamiro un video di toevallig. No, so om te acuerdas que mamiro el video. No mention names.
Okay, bisami. Kare asi pip. Okay.
Mamire post ko ando iko tabi. Eno tawa ke podcast again. At least I don't think so.
Do you want to say that? Bisag
Mamiro post about ito bisa no save cute outfits for a special moment.
Oh, okay.
Ando boyke bisa hambe ko boke try more about your appearance. I think you look fine, pero you want to try more. So try more.
Girl.
Dembo opinion. No, mino bisa na bunota try. Claro, I don't want no smoke. Pero mito piano ko
he said it, folks.
Pabomis.
Baigi
bisami ko. Boke try more. Boke try more. Ando whatever mito lagi na bawaki. Pabovili incita algo boke asi.
Okay, bong. Same por. A fun fact, I go through a phase coming up na buy new clothes. So me doing no fast fashion sucks. I'm not doing that. So ito me peak moment the vegetarian crystals. Hey, the shade me to be a kuy pa bidikoy. Ito man ugh.
No, ugh, don't do that. You can't do stuff like that on the camera, yo. See, but even if I do that, don't tell people that. Even if I did, which I don't tell people that. That's not true.
Either way,
I don't believe in that, and you don't either.
No, I have a faith conversation one of these days. Like a full on faith conversation. I mean, maybe explain myself more because I've had people be like, crystals, that makes sense to me back then. Pero in is phase 8 namin minota kumpara like new clothes. We talk about thrift as much as possible. And I still think
actually good though.
Thrifting is good.
That's actually good though.
Pero now it's to the point kumani okay, it's difficult pa with thrift no nanan tayo good things because the Shein.
That's not true though.
But yung by raw material pa ba yan?
Bro, may sabi ba kami nating bon thrift shops.
See, but that's not my case for me.
See, so na Amsterdam, they always bon thrift shops.
I don't live nowhere near Amsterdam.
Tough.
Or I think kilo sales na so tama kami na tabay.
See, but so it's like, yeah, but is it good clothes?
See, you know?
No, girl, kilo, no, great, but is it good?
Exactly.
I don't care about the kilo, dog. Mi problema no te weight di payan na. Mi problema ta payan na bong.
Sí, pero kilo siya ito mas goedkoop, I guess.
Sí, pero ese es mi punto. Like, mi problema no ta goedkoop of quanto payan bota hai. Mi problema ta payan na bong ta algo ami ke. Like, you're not gonna trick me.
Pero also que koy thrifting tame. Usually kami ikono ta fit bong. They look weird.
That's my point.
And wanna di makabesi aya. Yeah, just turned 25.
Pabiyeng.
Congratulations, girl. Makabesi aya, and the one of the goals I have for this year, dako of goals. The one of the things ko mike putting mas effort in that how I look. And me clothes nanta being one of them. Me can find things ko ta fit me style. Tingo running joke. Ko mita ka magbayong kami na anto mita in company anto ena ni ko mas na ki you have the same outfit as every other girl. Every other girl at that juncture. I was
at
like,
that place, yeah.
See, and when oh wow, am I a sheep? Am I a lamb?
Yeah.
Anto. Okay, kita mi own personal
funny.
style.
That is a funny thing to feel or realize or walk around the no, I am drip. So no, hold a minute.
See, but issue that mind you, me nothing TikTok, eh? Me nothing TikTok.
Wow, you're talking on TikTok.
I was like, you need to follow me certain
got you.
fashion trends. The TikTok.
Yeah,
I'm nothing TikTok. Trick girl.
TikTok on the clock.
TikTok.
No. Anyway, see.
Me nothing ekonai. Me think home base on me. Ikaw yung nice. I'll buy it. Pero at I'm in the same crop top, the same Molly Mae jacket, the same skirt, the same all of this. But so everybody's following the same type of trend. And then we're all looking the same, and I hate that.
Don't like that.
Understandable. I want to be myself. Pero me knows like my personal style at the moment. Me da probando figure out Kiko me quer esse time. Kiko me comfortable wearing.
Kiko me afford.
And Kiko me afford. But so I do have a little bit of an expensive style, but I don't have expensive pockets yet.
Agora aqui uma bisa. Nada not expensive. You just can't afford it. There's a difference.
I can't
work
afford
harder,
it.
Yo. Nada not expensive. If someone can buy it, it's not about a price cost. It's about can you buy it.
Sim.
And if you can't buy it, then you can't buy it. It has nothing to do with the price. No. You can't buy it. You're broke. I'm broke. That's what I'm saying.
Sim.
Work harder. Just work harder. Just work harder. That's
very
it.
rich. Yeah, that's my goal. Yeah.
Mas fácil. Pero sí.
Fácil.
Okay, does it say the last one?
Sí, pero comentas ko in the month of May. What does that mean?
I mean, bijvoorbeeld...
Is it the same moeilijk? Like, am I spending...
Wat ik gustali bijvoorbeeld, I put in extra work. Usually bijvoorbeeld, minosa. If you wouldn't have put up makeup, but I put bist makeup biak. Pero tabo no basi nada di mane. Kubupayan so bupayan na bupayan. Do mane ba de compra kilo na freaking Givenchy of Prada.
Right.
Kilo sale and that's not what's gonna happen. Pero si bolo no bist makeup bolo basi.
Okay.
Si bolo no ipiler bo brown of make them nicer than what they were bolo basi. Si bolo no asim scrub di cara botasi. Si bolo no paint your nails. Si bolo no but that's some stuff, I don't know, whatever women do. I don't know what you be doing. Pero, pabo mesmo di ko viliin. Tako pabo sinti e gevoel di, may tayin ka no di ka mas effort kulo minas. Whatever you didn't do, whatever untiki step sita, step chiquito sita, 5 step, whatever it is that you could do to elevate whatever you want to elevate to your liking yourself, you will put that into fruition.
Okay. Me tienes to say, that goes also with my hair. I'm trying. Like, no sé si me tienen pictures ahí, na? Can you put insert if so? Pero my shave bald, been blonde, had other colors. It's very easy for me to say, gone. I'm not doing this no more. But me can grow my hair out, which also means doing good sakong. Make sure my hair is nice. Taken care of. And by not ako miyata saying kumita un slouchy person of kumita nata well kept. That's not it at all.
No.
Takawon ko minusaki my personal style ta right now, away from what everybody else is wearing. And to may kasi ano manera ko works for me. Kasi at yung point, shout out to one of my oldest friends oldest friend ever. To be honest, I want to be a baddie. I want to be a baddie. I want to be a baddie. We can look like this. We can kiko. Pero girls na kasi ng maintenance vlogs nang pa naman €1,000 $1,000 for like manicure, pedicure, lashes, hair, this, that. I don't have that money. And I don't need all those things. Basta man neutral, natural, basic. I just need skincare.
Sí, pero ba't yung pretty privilege tama? Sí, ko.
Yeah, I do.
Sí, un suama ni Ami, long rumang.
Sí, pero typical na in ieder geval, we go to no, I want to be a baddie. Pero I don't have really
it's
baddie
about who you are,
personality.
not what you do.
It's about who you are, how you feel. That are you a baddie? That you are a baddie. Sí. But I'm gonna work on that. I think I'll mitahon po ba awa KD, figure out kiko me fashion sense that what I can do with my hair to any natural girl out there. Pamilya grow my hair out of box braids of whatever that is. Yeah. Okay, I'll just try that one. We'll see.
Got you.
Misali pa make sure I look nice. Because ikaw ito pa sa masa, mitay ko yung plat pa. So, misali tingora, mitay kere, minatay ito pa yung yan ko, may konase. Manche, minatay ba yung big city, pero, misali kas, mitay abitay liya. I'll just throw her whatever. And then mitay ka na din, hey, Ansha, kunta, mitay na, shoot me. I look like a bum. Ano, ito na, natabing kumindami. Maybe do home and make sure I look good all the time. At least remotely okay all the time.
I understand. Okay, well, I see Dumbo. I thought, I'll come up with that in a moment. So
okay,
thank
that's
God
good.
for it working out for you.
So my pencil is either say often a no spend, but I don't know if I can
Okay, go.
no spend.
That's the August, May, what? June accountability.
I can try June. I'll try June.
No, you can't try June. June is impossible. June is impossible to not spend.
June is not summer.
It's tough. There's no way you're not spending in summer. December. November. November. October. Yeah.
October.
Those are the...
Because August would go back to school.
Yeah, no, December back to school.
Family.
What are you talking about? What are you, 12? No.
But
August, almost summer tapering off.
Mrs. no spend at some point. So I'm the type of person who
that's not, see, sorry. I'm going to break. Sorry. See.
I'm the type of person who me tingnan important routine. Misali work. Of my work. The pas ko chocolate croissant. Chocolate croissant $8 to €2 na mo bisa. So I do that every week on the same day. Every month, that's €10 on just that chocolate croissant. And not to mention, kung ting Starbucks on the side, this new cut up extra
consumption.
Whatever, see consumption.
Gotcha.
It usually is consumption, see pami.
I mean, si bo budgetere bo pa siya. I could no spend, it not makes sense. But no spend. Okay, but you didn't learn how to live in moderation. También es un cosco Instagram thing. Minuto ba on there? No. But learn how to moderate. So conecta parte di bobida. There's a part of your routine. It's not bad. Tamalu ko bo no sa conta moderate. No bisa ko bo no ta. Pero bisa bo ideia ta ko eta malu si bo no sa conta moderate. Si bo sa ko ko bota asi, at the start of each month or end of each month, depende ko yung combo pay structure ta. Bota budget tere. Bota bisa ke bong. €10 ki tapa ekona ki.
Yeah.
Tapay ko aqui. Awo si bomira okay bong. Or baka bibigay pa tamani okay bong. Minta sobra men €10. Eri pa tamani shit. Nami po ne €10 ki bong. Sabi ka man.
I'm gonna extra 20.
No, that's not what I mean. I mean, maybe I should remove this.
Oh, okay.
Bumi se prepare for it and do wak pro me okay bong. It makes sense de mi budget see of no. No
Okay.
no haciendo. Next month, or no spend, but basically buy €7. But no see nada. You learned nothing.
Yeah. Okay, mo kumunde.
I walk in miss. To compra 2 stocks at the end of each month.
Wow.
I buy my last luna que me começa a tem Apple stock cover. Me compra 1 Apple stock every month. Every month 1 Apple stock and 1 ETF. In this case, me comprando Mi team money a bunch mi team a bunch of money put in S&P 500 kaba bro. Mi te pone de with dividend aristocrats di Europa, qualta e companies ng de Europa kuta mas consistent anto mas reliable qua dividend. Una dividend that keda grow. So make passive income. Dus je say to me for the next, I think, for sure this year, those are two stocks. Uni na the index fund and the other the Apple stock come take every month. Assim na mi saku, regardless of what I spend, I'm always investing some kind of money. So iso bane say mi otro savings na kita pick on the time. But those things I do for sure. So or me spend an outrageous amount of money on something else, it doesn't matter because I know I already saved money, umbanda, and I also invested some money. Dus the other money ko mi spend not maak uit. O si mi bisa gewoon om mi not by spend money, or mi not invest, mi not have fun, mi not save up, mi not see nada. That makes no sense.
Yeah,
that's not a way of living. Hey, I'll be dropping gems financial shit on here, yo. Now me saying also, you know what I'm saying? Man? Also, that's also a way of give me my money. But see, no, dintur siya that. Thank you for proposing this on the pod. I be hating going to work out 4 days. Tahon for entertainment purposes. I'm not mean like that.
He's a real hater.
I'm not a hater. I'm a pod hater. I'm a podder and I'm a pod hater. I hate on the podder. That's not who I am in real life. You don't know me, so it's fine. No, pero thank you por proponer. No, I'm a proponer make accountability plan. Thank you for proponer kung about it on the pod. So you think accountability, think may accountability plan. Because at some point we have to talk about this again. So we leg af wanneer die verantwoording naar ons listeners, viewers all across the world and the universe. So I thank you for that. And is there anything else you want to say to the peoples?
Si basan ka join, let us know. I think it would be fun si mas join and to make ng top 3 to 5 things ang kunang can work on. Awak idea bini. If it's an idea, kung make a group chat to make it accountable. Let me know.
Group chat?
See, I think it would be fun.
Instagram chat.
Yeah.
Group chat, no mes number nang. Instagram chat.
Yeah, okay. Instagram chat bijvoorbeeld. Met een run
close friends. No, let's think about in close friends. The OnBrand. That would be fire, actually.
Oh, see, that would be fun.
That would be fire.
That would be really good. And eventually, tame, nos tabay, make updates di ko nga bay. And probably have like in between moments, di mani, showing what we did. Otherwise, pa change certain behaviors. Kung nos change. But if you're interested, let me know so we could join. I will try to work on it. But no sila on Instagram close friends of would it be an option Facebook? I don't know.
We're not on Facebook.
We're not using Facebook.
Yeah. Pero wala. No po join us, so by the time ko kisali, probably no sa kabe. It's more like si botambe siya boting version di bomes accountability whatever month it is, let us know.
See, but whenever this comes out, every time I think naman still si hindi ta interested nta ko nga sila pa June and to keep it going.
Got you. Okay.
Just let us know. Thank you so much for listening and joining us on this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Si tingnan ko ba Mira, hear from us. Tambe. Please let us know. Anything else you want to share? Any last words?
No. I've been Angèle.
I've been Joïm.
And this has been the Baddie Broadcast.
Yeah!
Till next time.
Bye.
Pictures.